love for kids. Worse, me lose my own. Because me see the little pitney and the way which part she come from. I bought her like some couple little things. You know, I'm a carry girl Jamaica. I'm a link them because remember, she's talking to me on phone. So now you reach somewhere, which any one of them gal you would have do. You talk to somebody on phone when you reach, you gotta link the person. So I reach at Jamaica, I'm a link forget for see the baby. Yeah? When me see the baby now, the baby a band with me, so now she actually a see me. She know why me left. She did she that, right? She said, where you go where left me? Me say, no, me come back one next time, baby, and carry you go river. And them look something there. Yeah? Me go back again, Jojo, we go river. Me and thing, is the baby between we, this is why this boy can go like say, me I use the baby, forget to him. Cause me and him sit down one day and him say, he's a nice girl, whatever, whatever. What you want in a man? Me turn to him and me say, me not ready for no man yet because I've just gone through a very traumatic situation. And me need to heal myself before me go jump and go take another man. Right? Him then turn to me and say, him have couple damage too from him pass and whatever. But we can get to know each other slowly. I said, that is fine by me. Right? All right. When me there, we are get to know each other, we are text each other, whatever, whatever. As a woman and a man, I get to know each other. You gotta text each other. How are you? You're good. You're that. How is today? You're all right. Whatever. I saw we correspond during the text them, right? One of the time is like him. Me see him wait near me jawe him jawe. So I say you can call me too, you can wait near me too, So me I say yo, every woman that live abroad, we need attention. And if you don't communicate, that is our only form of attention where we can have for hold on to. Because remember, we ain't in your face. So you gotta get to know each other if you're in a smarty face. You gotta dip on phone and you talk and whatever. Anyways, in same life, hectic with the whole life and this and that. Fast forward, we kind of like just drift apart. Stop talk everything. But I always, because I know man, me did a blood clot look, me keep the band with the baby. Jojo, if I did man, me a look, me lock off the baby and me lock off the man. So me don't know what these people now understand. Right? Me carry on. Me make him know say anything when it comes to the baby. Because I never you, my initial weight name attraction too. And if I have a band, me have a band with the daughter. So anything what she ever need, I will always be there. And a coolie pitney are the only pitney in Jamaica when me be there for. Our blood clot there, I send over 300 pounds for my blood clot live. Go give people when me not know for pitney. For send them go to school when me not blood clot no. Right? Jojo, me hold that. When him come out and him a kiss the girl when him kiss a London. Yes, when him come out, me realize say something. Me I say, hold on, then this a boy is a womanizer. Then because that a June and the girl where you come out with and everybody a bash out the girl and a talk bad about her, she been there a long time because you know every girl a go look on the overlap. All if you're not there with a man and you get to know a man. From him come out to that woman, you gotta say to yourself, say, but wait there. But him that talk to me while